Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you so much. This place is really crowded today.
Yes, it is. I think it's because of the weekend. Everyone wants good coffee on Saturday morning.
That makes sense. By the way, do you come here often? The coffee smells amazing.
Actually, this is my second time here. I tried their cappuccino last week, and it was really good. What about you?
This is my first time. I'm new to this area, so I'm still exploring different places.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. Where did you move from?
I moved from a small town. I came here for my new job. Everything is so different and big here.
I understand. It can feel overwhelming at first, but you'll get used to it quickly. What kind of work do you do?
I work in digital marketing. I just started last month. It's exciting, but also a bit challenging.
That sounds interesting. Digital marketing is really important these days. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thank you for your kind words. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home mostly, but I like to come to coffee shops sometimes for a change of environment.
That's nice. Working from home can feel lonely sometimes, right?
Exactly. That's why I come here. By the way, if you need any recommendations for restaurants or places to visit around here, I can help you.
Really? That would be so helpful. I don't know many places yet.
No problem at all. There's a great Italian restaurant 2 blocks from here. They have the best pasta in town.
Oh, I love Italian food. I'll definitely check it out. Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. It's always nice to help new people in the area.
You're very kind. It's nice to meet friendly people here. I was a bit nervous about moving to a new city.
Don't worry, people here are generally very friendly. You'll make friends quickly. Hi, what a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it really is. The weather is perfect for being outside. Are you here alone?
Yes, I am. I come here every Sunday to relax and read a book. It's my peaceful time. What about you?
I'm taking a walk and enjoying the fresh air. I've been working on my laptop all week, so I needed a break.
I totally understand. Sometimes we need to disconnect from work and technology. What do you do for work?
I'm a software developer. I love my job, but sitting in front of a computer all day can be tiring.
That makes sense. Getting outside is really important for balance. Do you come to this park often?
Not as often as I should. This is actually only my third time here. I usually stay home on weekends.
You should come more often. This park is beautiful, and there are always interesting people to meet. I've made several friends here.
Really? That's nice. I'm not very good at talking to strangers, so it's hard for me to make friends.
I used to be the same way, but I realized that most people are friendly if you just say hello and smile. It's not as scary as it seems.
You're probably right. I guess I just need more confidence. How did you overcome your shyness?
I started with small steps. First, I would just smile at people. Then I started saying hello or good morning. Gradually, it became easier to have longer conversations.
That's actually really good advice. Maybe I should try that approach too.
Definitely. And remember, everyone here is just a normal person like you. They're not judging you. Most people are happy to have a friendly conversation.
Thank you for the encouragement. You're very easy to talk to. It makes me feel more comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that. See, you're already doing great. We're having a nice conversation right now.
You're right. I didn't even realize it. This is actually quite easy when the other person is friendly.
Exactly. That's the spirit. By the way, have you tried the food trucks near the park entrance? They have amazing food.
No, I haven't. What kind of food do they have?
There's a variety. My favorite is the Mexican food truck. They make the best tacos and burritos. There's also a great pizza truck and an Asian fusion one.
That sounds delicious. I'll definitely check them out before I leave today.
You should. And if you come back to this park again, maybe we'll run into each other. It would be nice to chat again.
I'd like that. Thank you for being so friendly and welcoming. You've made my day better.
You're very welcome. That's what community is all about. We all need kindness and friendship.
Absolutely. Well, I should continue my walk now. It was really nice talking with you.
Likewise, enjoy the rest of your day and don't forget to try those food trucks.
I won't forget. See you around. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Can you help me with something?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm looking for the Central Library. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. It's not very far from here. Are you walking or do you have a car?
I'm walking. Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it's about a 10-minute walk. Let me explain the directions to you.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you need to go straight on this road for about 3 blocks. You'll see a big shopping mall on your right side.
Straight for 3 blocks, and there's a shopping mall on the right. Got it.
Yes. Then turn left at the traffic light right after the mall. That's Oak Street.
Turn left at the traffic light on Oak Street. Okay, I'm following.
Good. Walk straight on Oak Street for about 2 more blocks. The library will be on your left side. It's a big building with white columns. You can't miss it.
White columns on the left side. Perfect. Is it open on Sundays?
Yes, I think it's open until 6 p.m. on Sundays, but you might want to check their website just to be sure.
That's good to know. I really appreciate your help. I'm new to this city, and everything is still confusing for me.
No worries at all. I remember when I first moved here, it took me weeks to figure out where everything was.
Really? How long have you been living here?
About 3 years now. Time flies. If you need help with anything else while you're here, just ask.
You're very helpful. Actually, do you know if there's a good bookstore nearby? I'm looking for some English learning books.
Oh, yes. There's an excellent bookstore right next to the library. It's called Bookhaven. They have a great collection of English learning materials.
Perfect. I can visit both places then. Thank you so much for all the information.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit to the library and the bookstore.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
This bus is taking forever today. Do you know if the number 45 bus is running late?
I'm not sure, but I've been waiting here for about 15 minutes already. It's usually on time.
Maybe there's traffic or some delay. I hope it comes soon. I have an important meeting to attend.
Oh no, I hope you're not too late. Where are you heading?
I'm going to the downtown business district. I have a job interview at 2 p.m.
That's exciting. Good luck with your interview. What kind of job is it?
It's for a customer service position at a tech company. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Just be confident and be yourself. That's the most important thing.
Thank you for the encouragement. I really need it. This would be my first job in this country.
Oh, did you move here recently?
Yes, I came here 6 months ago. I've been taking English classes, and now I feel ready to start working.
That's impressive. Your English is actually quite good. I'm sure the interviewer will be impressed too.
Really? You think so? I still make mistakes sometimes, and I worry about that.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. What matters is that you can communicate clearly, and you definitely can.
That makes me feel much better. Thank you so much. What about you? Where are you going today?
I'm just going home from the gym. I go there every Sunday morning. It's my weekly routine.
That's a healthy habit. I should start going to the gym too. Which gym do you go to?
I go to Fit Life Gym near the park. It's affordable and has good equipment. They also have special discounts for students and new members.
That sounds good. I'll look into it. I need to start exercising more regularly.
You should. It's great for both physical and mental health. Plus, it's a good way to meet new people.
You're right. I need to make more friends here too. It's been a bit lonely since I moved.
I understand. Moving to a new place is always challenging at first, but It gets better with time.
Thank you for being so kind and talking with me. It's nice to have friendly conversations like this.
Of course, that's what being a good neighbor is all about. Oh, look, I think the bus is coming now.
Finally, thank goodness. I was getting worried about my interview timing.
You still have plenty of time. Good luck again with your interview. I hope you get the job.
Thank you so much. Maybe I'll see you around sometime.
I hope so. Take care and have a wonderful day.
So there you have it, friends. 4 different conversations showing you exactly how to talk with strangers in English. Did you notice how easy and natural these conversations were? The key points to remember are always start with a polite greeting or question, be friendly and smile, show genuine interest in the other person, don't be afraid to share a little about yourself, be respectful and kind, end the conversation politely. Now I have a question for you. Which conversation did you like the most? Was it the coffee shop conversation, asking for directions, the bus stop chat, or the park conversation? Please write your answer in the comments below. I really want to know which situation you found most useful and why. Your comments help me create better videos for you. Also, if you have any specific situations where you want to learn how to talk with strangers, tell me in the comments. Maybe it's at the supermarket, at the gym, or at work. I'll create videos based on your requests. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are learning English. Help them become confident English speakers too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We post new English learning videos every week. Remember, practice makes perfect. Watch this video multiple times, repeat the sentences out loud, and try to use them in real life. You can do this. I believe in you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English confidently. Bye-bye.